Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sastriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your Washef at Vareva.com. Today, we're going to learn a special adai called Murunga Kirai Adai. That means the leaves of drumsticks is used in making this adai, and this gives a very nice aroma and flavor to your adai. Here is the leaf of the drumstick. There is a little bit of bitterness in this leaf, and we make a variety of dals, and even in sambar you can put this, and you can just make a curry just using these leaves. And also, if you remember, I've told you guys, when you make ghee, you put this in that boiling butter, and that will give a very nice, fantastic flavor to your ghee. First let's learn how to make the batter for this. For this, tuar dal, chana dal, add rice, the red chilies, and curry leaves. We're going to add water. Just wash it once, drain the water, and then again we're going to use fresh water to soak these ingredients. The recipe is also very simple. If you take 1 cup of rice, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of tuar dal. But you can also increase or decrease the amount of dals depending on the consistency or the texture you want. If you want little crispy, you can increase the rice quantity. If you want it little soft, increase the dal quantities. And in this, we're going to add some salt, hing. Now add so much water that it should little be over the rice. It should not be too much, because we added the rice and the hing. You don't want to lose the flavor later by draining the water. After adding this water, you need to soak it for at least 2 hours. 4 hours of overnight is also possible. And by the time all this water will be absorbed. If you have any water left over after soaking it for more than 2-3 hours, that means you added too much water. So don't add too much water, because when you make this batter, you want the batter to be slightly thicker, not like a dosa batter, little bit coarse and thicker. Now look at this batter. This is coarse. This is what we use to make fantastic adais. Now the batter of this adai is all ready. In this, add lot of these leaves. Okay, just chop them, and you can add into this and just mix this. Wow, what an aroma! This is good. And also in this batter, they add some coconut, grated coconut, and that will give an additional flavor to your adai. Just make sure you mix this properly. After mixing this, just put it on the non-stick pan or whatever. Now we're going to spread it with the hand. Just make sure that you dip your hands in the water like this, and then spread this. Okay. Now, I've told you many times when I make adai that they always make odd number holes, but I have never made one hole. So today I'm going to just make one hole in the center and add oil. Okay. After that, put the lid on and let this cook on a medium flame for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to cook it on the other side. After cooking this for around 2 to 3 minutes, wow, the other side, it's got a very nice color, and and we're going to cook on this side also, but this time we are not going to put the lid on, because we want this to dry out. If you put the lid on, the nice crispy, this golden texture will be gone, and it will become soft. And just we're going to cook this till it is nice and golden on the other side also. But because we spread it with the hand, the other side is not smooth and is not sticking to the pan. So it will have a nice dots of golden color and not even color like you get on this side. Now look at this, the nice golden crunch. Switch off the flame and serve it hot. You can serve it with sambar, coconut chutney, even jaggery, and nothing but even just with butter. This will taste fantastic. Wow. Dear friends, I hope you enjoy this adai, especially using the drumstick leaf. Lot of medicinal values in this and nice flavor. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.